We presently live in 2024. However, in our country, most of the clothing store, indoor and outdoor decoration are still backdated. Also, their marketing strategies and logo design. As a seller, keep in mind that your customer are now very smart. They want to emphasize their every occasion on social media. Also, their movement, thoughts, and purchasing history. So, I am Tanvir from Brandy. I am a graphic designer and brand identity expert. Today, I am gonna share my recent project, which kind of similar like that. In the evening time, while I watching TV, I received a message from a client. They want to hire me to redesign the logo for their Punjabi fashion brand, which is Amber. This means they already have a logo. Here's the previous logo. It seems to be an Arabic calligraphy style icon. Trust me, it is pretty challenging for every designer to beat previous design and make a new logo. No problem. We designer love to accept and overcome these challenges. After some decision, client sent me the project brief. In this brief, they mentioned me some major things. First, they need a text-based logo design, which means the icon should be integrated into the text or font. There is no need to create a separate logo icon, as they have already used that concept before. Second need, they want minimalist and meaningful logo design concept which represent a positive vibe to their customer. It means they allow me to add a positive vibe or sign element on their project. Third, don't need to attach in the logo any type of product or fashion related icon, because every business holder use like this similar things. We come out from this culture and something want new. After receiving all the commands, it is time to start the project. My first step is brainstorming. I research on Google for similar business icon to get inspiration. It helps me find a minimal and meaningful concept every time. Second step is sketching. Before finalizing, I always create raw design on my iPad. This process helps produce a more reliable and smooth logo before starting the final version. I apply this sketching method on my every project. Third step is vectorizing the selected icon. After completing the first two steps, I import the raw idea into my desktop and professionally vectorize it, ensuring every detail is perfect for the logo design. Fourth and most important part is font customization, which is one of the most sensitive part of the entire project. Every top level designer must focus on this, as even a professional icon can lose its value without the perfect custom font. Yep, all the steps are completed. I submit the logo to the client and they are thrilled to use it for their fashion store. I hope it elevates their fashion business to the next level and position them as a game changer. Now it is showtime.